Want to install the Truist Bank app on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and set it up step by step in just a few minutes. Now, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. If you are not signed in yet, go ahead and log in or create a Google account first. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Truist Bank or Truist Mobile. You should see the official app appear in the search results. Look for the app published by Truist Financial. You can also check the logo, ratings, and download count to make sure it's the correct app. Now tap Install to begin downloading the app. The download and installation process usually takes less than a minute, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find the app later from your home screen or app drawer. When the app opens, you can sign in with your existing Truist online banking account details. If you don't have an account yet, you can also select the Sign Up or Enroll option to create one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.